Hello everyone, Math Topics is celebrating this week the end of the year. This is a wonderful year for Math Topics. We have reached more than 5,000 subscribers. Every day this week, I'm going to give you a testing question, maybe one, maybe two, but a very brief video just for you to practice math topics. You can pause the video and you can do it on a piece of paper, and then you can press the play button again and try to see if you did it right or not. Create a slope field at the given points for the differential equations dy over dx equals x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 to the power of 2. We are going to start with a calculus question. How can we create the slope field? So dy dx is finding the slope. We have all those points right here. So the first thing that I do is to evaluate dy dx for each of these points. I can start with this point right here, which is no more than negative 1 and 0. So I'm going to evaluate dy dx for negative 1, 0. So the x is negative 1, the y is 0. So I substitute the x by negative 1 and the y by 0. So I have here in the numerator, I have a 0 divided by any value right here, that is 0 plus 1, 1 to the second power is 1. So dy dx here is 0. So I can say that the slope here is 0. This is the initial analysis of the slope field. The slope is 0. The line is horizontal. We can do it for this point right here, which is negative 1, comma 1. So we evaluate, I'm going to do it right here, dy dx for that value. So the x will be negative 1, the y will be 1, and I have here negative 1 plus 1, 0. 0 divided by any number will be 0. I have here 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 to the second power is 4, but 0 divided by 4 is 0. So I have another line here, horizontal. Let me put it bigger like this. Horizontal, because the slope is 0. So let's evaluate the point 0, 0. So I'm going to do it here. Dy dx evaluated for 0, 0. So the x is 0, the y is 0. I have in the numerator 1, in the denominator I have 1. So the slope is positive 1. So my line here, okay, I'm going to do it a little bit like this. My slope is 1. Should be like this. Now let me evaluate it for 0, 1. So dy dx, dx is 0, the y is 1. So I have here in the numerator 1, in the denominator I have 4, because 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 to the second power is 4. So 1, 4, so the slope is 0.25, is positive, but I want to use less steep. Okay, less steep. Like that. Because it's 1 over 4, and the slope here at 0, 0, when the slope was 0, 0, so we have the slope 1. So let's do it for 1, 0. Let's do it for 1, 0. So dy dx. So let's do it for 1, 0. So the x is 1, the y is 0. So the slope here is 2 over 1 to the second power is 1, 2 over 1, which is 2. So the slope here is 2, is positive. So a little bit steeper than 1/4, steeper than 1. And finally, let's evaluate dy dx for 1 and 1. So the x is 1, the y is 1. So I have in the numerator 2, and in the denominator I have 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 over 4 is no more than 1/2. So the slope is positive, the line is going up. This is the slope field. And this is the way to do it when they provide the points. Right? Very easy. What do you think? Okay, this is the summary of the question. The dy dx 0, you can see it right there. Dy dx 0, the line horizontal, slope 1/4, slope equal 1, increasing, slope 1/2, slope 2, and this is the way to do questions like this. Tomorrow, I'm going to discuss another math topic question for this week. Do not forget to join Math Topics membership, and thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.